Hey, you got a super quick one here. It's a cabin filter on an MG3. Let's go. Okay, so on the passenger side here, open up the glove box. You're gonna need to get out anything that happens to be in here. We need just to bend, like just take a little bit of the pressure off and bend in on the sides. And there's two little lugs that stop it from opening too far. Once you've bent in from the sides, this falls all the way down and it can just slip straight off. They're the little lugs that hold it on each side. Okay, looking in this cavity where the glove box was, we've got this little cover over our filter. These two tabs in here, we just need to squeeze these two in, and then that end comes away and it hinges away. There's the cover. Here's our first glimpse at our cabin filter. Just note the airflow, it's heading downwards. It's got a little tab to help me pull it out, and who knows what we're going to find in here. Okay, this one is well and truly overdue to be replaced. So we throw that one away. I've just got an aftermarket generic sort of one here. Now my replacement one, look, it doesn't even have a brand on it, it's just got a number, and it doesn't even have sort of an airflow sort of direction on it, so it'll be fine to go in either way. Seems a fraction tighter than the original. There we go. Slide that in. We'll fold that little piece down. Put that back in place. Next we'll just put the glove box back in place. These little things slip over these little lugs here. By putting a little bit of pressure into the glove box, I'm going to bring it up and close it. Those little lugs now close up and we're done. Hey, and that's the cabin filter done. Thanks for watching.